Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of October 15, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Next week is Spirit Week at our secondary campus. On Monday, please bring your books in anything but a book bag. On Tuesday, freshmen will dress as babies. Sophomores will dress as toddlers or elementary children. Juniors dress as adults, and seniors will be senior citizens. Wednesday is Sports Jersey Day. Thursday is dress as the decades of the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s. Friday is dress as your grade color day. Tuesday, October 19th at 4:30 p.m., we will hold our annual high school Title I meeting. The meeting will be held on Google Meets. I have sent out the Google Meets link to attend already, and I will resend it. During this meeting, parents learn about what Title I is and how Title I funding helps PBMA. The elementary campus continues to participate in activities for National Bullying Prevention Month. We are encouraging everyone to wear and share orange next Wednesday, October 20th, to prevent bullying and promote kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. We will be united with the Palm Beach County Schools, who are also participating in Unity Day on October 20th. The Elementary Scholastic Book Fair is Monday, October 25th through October 29th. We still have openings for parent volunteers. Shifts are 8:30 to 11 o'clock and 11:30 until 2 p.m. Please email me if you are able to volunteer to help. Due to technical issues from the College Board, the 8th and 9th graders were not able to take the PSAT this week. It has been rescheduled for Tuesday, October 26th. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello, parents. I'm Mr. Holligan, the assistant principal here at Palm Beach Maritime, with some sporting news. The girls' basketball tryouts will be Tuesday, October 19th at 4 p.m. Please see Mr. Storkel at the Middle High campus for more information on how to sign up. You will also need 2 forms before your first game in November. You will need the EO2 physical form and the EO3 consent form. So get those forms in, and we'll see you Tuesday. Have a wonderful day.
Hi, PBMA families. It's Mrs. Smith, the elementary school principal. I just wanted to take a moment to see how impressed I am with how the school year is going so far. Our teachers are working extremely hard. It's amazing to see the progress they're making. And of course, our students are doing such an outstanding job. I'm seeing the learning gains, and we got to keep that momentum going. And parents, as always, thank you so much for your support and being a part of our school and helping your child with their education. We are a team, and we've got this.
Miami Lighthouse will be coming to both campuses of PBMA to provide students with free eye exams and free glasses if they're needed. I will email parents the link to sign up again, and the Lighthouse will be coming to the elementary campus on October 27th and October 29th. They will be coming to the secondary campus in the middle of November. Please sign up for this great free service. Ms. Augustin's STEM classes released the butterflies that they raised from caterpillars. It is always amazing to watch the tiny caterpillars grow and change into beautiful butterflies. Ms. Trish visited our kindergarten classes to teach the students about their 5 senses. Petting Zia, her bearded dragon, is an exciting way to learn about the sense of touch. The Children's Services Council generously donated a book to every PBMA elementary student. Some classes are writing reports based on their books. 6th graders created artwork based on the 7 elements of art. Their pictures are beautiful. 7th graders created optical illusions based on the color wheel. The Rotary Club of Boca Raton donated fabulous dictionaries to our third graders. The dictionaries are more like encyclopedias with tons of interesting information. The Rotary Club worked with each third grade class to explore these fascinating books.
And I want to thank Ms. Keelis for the opportunity to be here today and tell you about what we do for Rotary in our community. I'm from the Rotary Club downtown Boca Raton, and we are members of an organization that's over 100 years old. One of the projects of this club is to promote literacy by providing dictionaries to the third graders for their personal use. So can you open up the dictionaries and you'll see that there is a sticker and you'll be able to write your name on it. Could you please write your name inside the dictionary?
Huh?
Yeah, world map, where is that?
It's on 457.
Yes, beautiful.
Miss Williams' classes created posters for Anti-Bullying Month. They can be viewed throughout the building 2 hallways. We had a great turnout for Atlantis Skateway Night. We have scheduled an additional skating night in April. Hope you can come. Please like Palm Beach Maritime Academy on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be informed of the latest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.